Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Jenkins using API tokens and crumb step by step clearly. First, open your Jenkins dashboard in a web browser. Log in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to your user settings by clicking on your username at the top right corner. From the user settings menu, select Configure. Scroll down to the API tokens section. If an API token is already generated, you can use it. If not, click on the Add New Token button. Enter a name for the token and click Generate. Make sure to copy the newly generated token and store it securely. Next, ensure that the crumb issuer is enabled in Jenkins. To verify this, go to Manage Jenkins from the left sidebar. Click on Configure Global Security. Find the Prevent Cross-Site Request Forgery Exploits option. Make sure the option is checked. Save changes if you made any adjustments. Now, you can authenticate using the API token in crumb. To do this, open your terminal or API client. Send a request to the Jenkins crumb issuer endpoint. Typically, this endpoint is located at http://your/jenkins url/crumb issuer/api/xml, path equals concat//crumb request fee. Replace your Jenkins URL with the actual URL of your Jenkins instance. Make sure to include your username and API token in the request. You can use basic authentication for this purpose. If the request is successful, you will receive a response containing the crumb. The response will include the crumb request field and the crumb value. Next, add these details to your API requests. In your API calls, set the header using the crumb request field. Include the crumb value as the header value. Also, add an authorization header. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.